Alright guys, Joe here from JPRC again. I thought that was a really awesome video. We had tons of fun running the truck today. The suspension on the Yeti Score Trophy Truck, it's super plush. We did do a little bit of modification before running it. And here's what we did to it. Pretty simple. We moved the suspension shock mount into the inner hole for more plush suspension setup. And in the rear, we also did the same thing. I did refill the oil with 30 weight. What's more important, I added the STRC aluminum shock cap that really held it up really nicely. There's no oil leak at all in there, as you can see. Really clean after like a full run of couple packs. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned. We got a lot more video coming on this truck. So as always, thank you for watching. Peace out.